first rainy day in quite a few weeks. It's been 90, so this is like one of the few chances where I can get a video without all the plants being wilted. And yeah, they're wilting basically every day. This is the orange chili uh, that I made a short 4-second video, and it got like 17K views. This is I think it was supposed to be the tangerine cream, but it went back to a darker orange, and even in the video it shows lighter, and I'm looking at a much orangier pepper than the video. And here's the chocolate Hell's Bells. This plant is loaded. I'm just gonna show the ones I need to pick peppers from. Got a bunch ripe on that. Here's one of the Batman pineapples that I don't know, I'm having trouble getting the golden color again. I see it in some, but like these were the first two and they're kind of white, so I don't know about that. This was supposed to be a big red, no, this was supposed to be the big chocolate Batman, and again it went back to red. It's like a big red pot. Not sure. Paula, this is the tangerine tiger. I didn't get the shapes, and I do see the camera is not showing the streaks, but hold on, let me focus there. There are some streaks. Let's see. Trust me, there are more streaks than the camera shows. I'm not sure what's going on here. Yeah, the camera is not trying to show the streaks. Having trouble focusing there, but this is Kang's starling. Very productive plant. This one, I have two more over there, but this one, I guess it was the sun, because there's some here that are not shriveled up, but the only ones that were shriveling up before getting red. And yeah, I didn't know what was going on, but these are the other two. But it seems like they might not be exactly starlings, because my partner Bear said that the starlings grew pointing up and these don't. And also he said they didn't have heat. These, look, I gotta pick some peppers. These just been falling off. These do have heat. I tasted one, and yeah, it looks like they might not be starlings. And Paula, these are the other two tangerine tigers. They just didn't get any shape. But this, and no streaking, it's just an orange pepper. Same for this one. Well, I haven't seen one ripe on these, so we'll have to see if they're streaking. There's some hot burrito, serranos ripening up. I got some bell peppers all over. Make some stuffed peppers. I gotta make more. These are red habaneros. These are red habanero. I got like 3 of these plants. There's another here in the middle. And these are red ghost. They're freaking productive as hell, man. They're full of red ghosts. I need to pick. There's another plant on the other side. Here, also loaded with a lot of peppers, a lot of sun scald, from, you know, it's the first year I opened up. I cut 2 trees back there and it's burnt a lot of peppers. Here's another red hob. I think the 3 over there were from the nursery. Those back there, and I think this one was from like Bonnie Home Depot and whatever. These bells, I'm not sure what they are. Why is flash coming on? Anyway, these bells, they're not exactly red. I'm not sure what they are. Pretty sure I got them from the nursery, I think. But they're like a deep red. Hey, buddy. That's my cat friend. Hi. Hey, how you doing? So, there's some chili red. It's called chili red. It's Apache. There's the Fresno over there. Some of these plants are a bit slower, don't have much on them. Batman pineapple. These are another two Orion, which haven't had any luck with these. They haven't produced anything. The one back here, it had some peppers and they keep getting damaged from some bug. Like this one. This one they haven't touched in a while, so I don't know, maybe it'll make it. But that one's already got damage. So yeah, I think that's it for everything that has peppers at the moment. Thanks for watching. Catch you next one.